Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving from Crossroads to Half Way Tree. Now these Crossroads is a very busy place. It's a major transportation hub in Jamaica, and Half Way Tree is the major transportation hub in Jamaica. So basically all roads lead to Half Way Tree somewhere somehow. So we're going to take a look at Crossroads. We are on Old Hope Road. To the left is Caledonia Avenue. To the right is Half Way Tree Road. And we are going straight on to Slipe Road now. Also on the left, that's another entrance from Slipe Road. Alright, so there are two very iconic things in Crossroads. One is the Carib Theatre, which is on the left. And then the other one is the clock. Now this clock, okay, well, the Carib Theatre has been around forever. Very iconic. When you say Crossroads, people automatically think of Carib. Now this is a police station on the left. Crossroads is a very busy place. It's actually got its name because it's where four main roads intersect, or they cross, so they call it Crossroads. Okay, now the second iconic thing in Crossroads, that's the Crossroads post office there, but it's actually the clock. But we're not going to get a view of the clock from here. And I think this is a one-way, so we kind of turn around. And okay, we're gonna have to go up and make a U-turn and come back down. But straight ahead is the Crossroads post office. And Crossroads actually got its name because of the four main roads intersect or cross each other here, so they call it Crossroads. And this is geographically the center of Kingston. Geographically, this is the center of Kingston. Now when people think of Kingston, quite a few times people make a mistake and think Kingston is downtown Kingston, and you have the parish of Kingston, which includes okay, that's the clock right there. Very nice view of the clock. And this clock was built to commemorate the Jamaicans who went to fight in the World Wars. Okay, so Crossroads now is the center of the city of Kingston. Now the city of Kingston includes the parts of the parish of Kingston and parts of the parish of St. Andrew. Now the city of Kingston has almost 1 million people in it, and Crossroads is in the center of the city of Kingston. The parish of Kingston is the area of downtown Kingston and Port Royal, and this parish of Kingston has about 90,000 people in it. So the parish of Kingston is different from the city of Kingston. A lot of times people just use the word Kingston, but just wanted to differentiate. Alright, so this is Crossroads, and today we're driving through Crossroads and heading towards the Half Way Tree area. Alright, so now we're on Slipe Road, actually heading through Crossroads to the downtown area. So we're going to go down to National Hero Circle and then come back up Marasca Road. Now this area is mostly commercial. You have a few retail stores. No, actually it's more of a retail area, not commercial, sorry. Commercial, retail meaning you have a lot of stores that sell to the public, and commercial will be more office space that you rent. So this is Slipe Road. Of course, in Jamaica, people just stop anywhere, park anywhere, reverse on the main road anywhere. There's a serious problem of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. Alright, we're now turning on, that's Torrington Bridge we just passed over, and this area is known as Torrington. Straight ahead is the National Heroes Park, and we're now turning on to National Heroes Circle. Straight ahead is the Wolmer's Boys School, it's actually the oldest school in Jamaica and one of the top schools, very prominent high school. Now right beside the Wolmer's Boys School, that's it on the left, and then where you see the color of the fence change, that's the now passing the Wolmer's Girls School. Both schools are, well, the boys' school is separate from the girls' school, but they both share the same sixth form. Alright, we're now going on to Marasca Road. On the left is the Wolmer's Girls' School on both sides of the road. Marasca Road is most popular for the National Water Commission, whose head office is on Marasca Road. Now on the left is a very large campus. It's the Michael University College. Very strange name. I've never heard of an institution having the name University and College in it. But there it is, the Michael University College. There is the name. Alright, so we're going back onto Marasca Road, and straight ahead that's the National Water Commission's office. Okay, we're now coming up to the intersection with Caledonia Avenue. Actually, Caledonia Crescent. Alright, so this ended up being a tour of Crossroads. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.